my channel. So today we have a special guest joining us, which is my uncle. So say hey.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for having me today. This is the quarantine edition, so I'm home and I'm excited to be on the channel.
So first, what you need to do is make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications and subscribe to my uncle's channel, which is
Friends of Joey.
Yes. So
Awesome.
Now, without further ado, let's get into this video.
My supplies here. I bought some baking soda, which was 97 cents.
That's good.
I have some Bausch & Lomb eye contact solution. This was $4.
You're on the right track.
All right. And last but not least, today I bought some glue. This was only 99 cents.
You have all of your ingredients for basic slime. So, speaking of basic slime, don't forget to check out my basic slime outside part 1 and part 2. But that's not what this video is about, so let's continue on with this video. So, first, you need to put your glue onto your inside of your container or on your table. So he has the glue onto the table. So step 2, you need to put a little bit of contact lens solution onto the glue.
All right, here we go. Contact lens solution. I'm only going to put a few drops here.
I don't think you had it open.
Oh, my bad. All right.
Yeah, that's enough.
All right.
So for step 3, what you need to do is add in your final ingredient, which is baking soda. That's a lot.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you're gonna overactivate it.
Uh-oh.
You may need to add a little bit more glue to that for it to like actually become like a nice and stretchy slime.
All right, more glue. Okay.
Yeah, so now what you need to do for step 4 is mix it up.
All right, I got my little plastic fork here. All right, now I didn't want to make a mess, so I used some parchment paper here to cover up my table. And I got a little spoon here, and I'm just gonna mix.
All right, guys, we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Got some ASMR going on.
Whoa.
Flex this slime. Like down below if you think he does. So I think yours isn't activated enough. So what you do is put in a little bit more contact lens solution is baking soda.
All right, here we go. A couple more drops. And more baking soda. All right.
So now it should come together. And guys, if you accidentally overactivate your slime, what you need to do is just add in some lotion.
Oh, great. Are you supposed to use borax with this, or are you supposed to use eye contact solution?
Well, I choose not to use borax so I can keep my viewers and myself safe and not get third-degree burns, because a girl who used borax in her slime, she got third-degree burns from it, and that is not good at all. So I try to keep my videos very safe and make sure that if you're following it along with me, that you don't injure yourself from doing that.
Very good. This slime is really coming together here. It's looking like it's really slimy.
It actually really isn't like slime right now in that texture, but it is coming together. And the way that you can tell that your slime is done is if it starts, if you're mixing it, if you're making it inside of a container, if it starts coming off of the edges of the bowl, like if it starts pulling away from the bowl, then that's how you know it'll be done.
Oh, okay.
So maybe you need a little bit more baking soda.
More baking soda. Okie dokie.
That should be enough.
Uh-oh. Yeah, this is a lot more. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm going to add just a little bit more contact lens solution.
Oh no, don't do that. That'll like really overactivate it.
Uh-oh. What does the activator do? Make it gooey?
No, it actually turns it into slime because at first it's just glue. But then when you add in the baking soda and contact lens solution, it turns it into slime.
Okay. So maybe I'll put too much baking soda in it.
Maybe. Ooh. He just broke the spoon.
Oh, just broke the spoon. I definitely had too much in there. Oh.
Oh no, it kind of looks like a cloud slime, so that's actually really good.
Oh, wow.
So do you think you're done mixing?
I think we're done here. I think we are done mixing because it is really gooey. Now, I know some of them have color, like mine is all white. It looks pasty.
Yeah, some of them have color, and I can actually bring an example to show.
I think we got some slime.
Yeah, and this is an example of slime with coloring and some glitter inside of it, if you can see. So,
oh, wow.
Yeah. Yes, you made your very first slime.
This is fun. Thank you for teaching me how to make slime. I will love this and cherish this forever.
You're welcome, and thank you for coming to my channel. And so thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.